Just pour oil on the cinnamon. Since I learned this, I never spent money again. Try this and you will never have this problem again. For our simple tip, add about 8 ounces of water to a container. Then, add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and mix very well. Once that's done, now we're going to need a glass container. Then go ahead and put the entire mixture in. And guys, I learned this tip from my uncle, who lives on a farm. He was facing this annoying problem that we all experience at home. So he gave me the recipe for this amazing tip, and it solved my problem. After adding the entire mixture, take cooking oil and pour it over the water with the cinnamon. If you prefer, you can use used cooking oil. It doesn't have to be new. And before adding the oil, you can let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to need this plastic container. Actually, we're only going to use the bottom part. Cut it into a round shape and then make a small hole in the center. We're going to do this in order to pass a piece of string through it. In this case, I'm going to just use a candle wick for this tip. But you can use any string or even a piece of cotton fabric. This will be our wick. Once that's done, take this part already with the wick and position it in the center of the container. And it should look like a candle. Now just light it, and all your problems will be over. And you must be curious, wondering what problems I'm talking about. I am referring to problems with mosquitoes, gnats, and flies, or whatever insects you may have trouble with where you live. We all know very well how annoying these insects are, especially on hot days. They take advantage of this and keep biting us nonstop. If you don't have a good insecticide at home, you will have a bad time. However, here is a powerful homemade insecticide made with ingredients everyone has at home. I doubt you will suffer from flies and mosquitoes if you make this. And best of all, this tip works with all kinds of flying insects, including cockroaches. Because they can't stand the smell of burning cinnamon, so they disappear. And since there is oil in the mixture, the wick will not burn out quickly. And you can place it in specific spots in your house, especially where there are many flies and mosquitoes. Then quickly they all gonna disappear, and you can relax in peace without those insects biting you. So make sure to give this wonderful tip a try at home. I'm sure you and your family will love the results. That was today's tip. I really hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.